Hola, mi amigos, mi amiga. We are in Florida. I'm here with my crew, Slick. Thank you, Slick, for coming over to Florida. How was the drive? All right. And today, I'm going to show you some of our properties. But why we're here today, we had so many adventures, so many fun in just few hours of arriving here in Oasis at Ballast Point, Florida, in Tampa. So what I'm going to be doing and what my crew, Slick, here is going to help me is we're gonna take care of the exterior. When you have properties, exterior is very important, and that's where I will put Slick into work. He will help me clear this forest a little bit that I can see from here. So I'm here in Dale Mabry. It's a very busy intersection. This is the hotel, and this is the busy street. And now I'm in this. This is part of the property that my friends, my family, my colleague physicians bought. I'm here in this several rows. So that's one of the Oasis at Ballast Point building. We have about 10, 12, 8 to 12 buildings here. That's another one over there. That's another one over there. The mayor is in town, and we're going to clean up what we can do in just a few days. And that's a yacht right there. Welcome to Florida, the Sunshine State, close to the water. Woo, Tampa, very close to the water. You're surrounded by water. So what does that do to your property? It compresses it. There's not a lot of buildings out in here. So then people would be tending to rent, right? Because there's not a lot of buildings. So we are getting busy. What are you guys busy? This is the long Labor Day weekend, and we are rocking it. We are hustling. My crew here, Slick, is hustling every day. What's the song I was gonna sing you? We are hustling. So guys, stay tuned for more. We've got a lot of work to do while we're in Florida. All right, take care. Until next time, I will share with you the life of a landlord. See you.